Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Sweet GiggleTales. Today's story is full of sunshine, splashes, and courage. We're heading to SandyShell Cove to meet a tiny turtle with a big dream. Her name is Tilly, and she's about to try something very new. Tilly, the turtle, peeked out from her cozy, sandy nest. She blinked at the golden waves and yawned with a smile. Today was the day all the baby turtles were going to swim for the very first time. But Tilly felt a little nervous. The waves were big, the ocean even bigger. Her brothers and sisters zoomed down the beach, giggling and flapping their tiny flippers. "Come on, Tilly," they called. But Tilly stayed close to her shell, eyes wide. "Chad, what if I float away?" she whispered. "What if I sink?" Just then, a cheerful voice piped up. Trying new things can be scary, but also fun. It was Sandy, the crab, tiny, bright orange, and always smiling. He tapped his claw gently on Tilly's shell. "I was scared the first time I tried dancing, but look at me now." He did a tiny crab twirl that made Tilly giggle. Suddenly, Bella the bird swooped down from a palm tree. She had shiny blue feathers and a sweet singing voice. "I was nervous to fly at first too," she chirped, "but trying something new helped me discover the sky." Tilly looked up. Maybe I can do it." Tilly took a deep breath. She lifted one flipper, then another. Slowly, step by step, she waddled toward the water. Waves lapped at her toes. She squeaked, but she didn't stop. With a little wiggle and a big smile, Tilly splashed into the water. Whoosh! The sea sparkled all around her. She floated, she kicked, she paddled. "I'm doing it," she giggled. On the shore, Sandy clapped his claws, and Bella sang a joyful tune. Tilly played hide and seek with the other turtles under the waves. She swam through coral castles and chased bubbly fish. She laughed so hard, her shell shook with joy. As the sun set over SandyShell Cove, Tilly rested on a warm rock beside her new friends. She looked at the sea and smiled. "Trying something new wasn't easy," she said, "but it was the best thing I've ever done." Moral of the story: trying new things might feel scary at first, but they help you grow, sparkle, and swim through life with joy. Thanks for watching Sweet GiggleTales. We hope you laughed, imagined, and had tons of fun. Come back soon for more magical stories, sweet giggles, and happy endings. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because every giggle counts. Until next time.